Hi, everyone. This is complete video tutorial on SQL where you can learn about basics of database management and SQL, how to write the SQL queries and how SQL will be used in the application development. Please watch complete series of videos and take home the knowledge on SQL. In this video we will discuss about basics of Relational Database Management System RDBMS. Before going into it, let's have a look at the basic terminology. Database is an organized collection of data. Relational database is a database which organizes the data in relational model in the form of tables. DBMS database management system that interacts with end users' applications and manages the database. Similar to DBMS, RDBMS relational database management system is also used for management of relational database. So now we can understand a relational database management system is a program that lets you create, update, and administer a relational database and uses SQL in order to access the data. RDBMS is invented by Edgar F. Codd. Most famous RDBMS engines are Oracle MySQL DB2 SQL Server SQLite and many more. Advantages of RDBMS are multi-user access. Relation database systems allows multiple users to access the data concurrently. Secured provides privileges to users to secure the data and prevent inappropriate change and usage of data. Data integrity. It provides integrity in data and avoids redundant data. It can accessed over the network. Now let's see difference between DBMS versus RDBMS. DBMS store data in file whereas RDBMS stores data in tabular form. DBMS don't apply security whereas RDBMS applies security using certain privileges. DBMS is not distributed but RDBMS systems can be distributed across multiple databases. DBMS don't support integrity of data but RDBMS defines integrity for ACID atomicity, durability, transactions. Thank you. Please continue to watch our videos and please subscribe us.